Delighted to welcome all of you to the launch of our STEM Accelerator for high potential students.
I'm just taking pride and just introducing Jawahar Navodaya so that all of you know what exactly is Jawahar Navodaya. Now, this is basically an institution which is caters to mainly rural students. So each district of the country has one school except one other state, and the students in the class 6th are selected through an entrance test. How do we identify outliers and what stage and what should be the criteria? How do we identify? So that's why when CSF came forward and said we want to use expertise is what has been done in other countries and we want to replicate here to find out how do we identify outliers at early stage and what stage. And we will want to, more than identification, I am more interested in developing a criteria which I can replicate in other places as well.
First step is to generate interest, and then you will understand that there are some students who really take interest in what you are doing, and then you understand later that there are some very high potential students which would not have been in our network had we not reached to them.
It's difficult right now, let me help. Later when you are strong, you can fly on your own. This world-renowned mathematician has shown me time and again that kindness and humility are true strengths.
The national education policy gives us a vision that move away from rote learning to bring the inherent competency, skill set and talent of children.
Young children from their smallest town, from their, the project districts as they are called, the hardest socioeconomic districts are identified and are given that nurturing. And that is the fundamental belief we are bringing to Tarang. How do we identify talent, nurture talent, and set them up with opportunities that are no longer limited by their socioeconomic background.